Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Telegram tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to protect your Telegram private chat content from forwarding and stop people from forwarding the content, stop people from copy, stop people from downloading whatever you have in chat with them in Telegram. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Telegram app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you select a contact. So I'm going to go ahead and simply select this particular contact right here. So having selected a contact, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on the contact name right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on the three dots from the top corner. And this is going to come up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on disable sharing. Once you click on disable sharing, you are going to see that, and this is going to come up right here. Disable sharing prevent forwarding, saving, and copying content in private chat. However, this feature is a premium version of Telegram. So for you to achieve this, you want to make sure you subscribe for Telegram premium option, which goes for a token per month. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Telegram app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.